Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go, for example, with this one or with a new one. After that, let's just hold for a while one from our device screens and click here to the widgets section. After that, we can see here a lot of different applications which widgets we can add. For example, the calendar, we can see the calendar app. We have here two widgets which we can add. Also, for example, the clock has just 3 different widgets. The shortcuts just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The weather also only 2. The notepad just 1. So for example, let's use the calendar application to add the widget. We can add the month view or just the schedule. Let's use the schedule to add the widget. Just hold it and drag it, for example, here to the left upper corner. If you want to move the widgets here on the screen, that's not a problem. Just hold and drag it. Also, we can just resize it. We can make it bigger or smaller. So by this way, if you want to just move widgets between the screens, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag it, for example, here to this screen. And if you want to create a new screen with a widget, just by the same way, hold and drag it here. And if you want to remove it, just hold and drag it here to the subsection to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.